This is your computer class. I am going to start second chapter of computer, that is formulas and functions in MS Excel. So let's get started. What is formulas in Excel? Formula is an expression that calculates values in a cell or in a range of cells. For example, A2 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is a formula that adds up the values in cells A2 through A4. Entering a formula. Entering formula by pointing helps to avoid errors when entering cells refers in your formulas. You can see these are formulas. How can we enter formulas? Cell reference. A cell reference refers to a cell or range of cells on a worksheet and can be used in a formula so that Microsoft Office Excel can find that values or data that you want that formulas to calculate. Now, relative cells. A formula that contains relative cells change when it's copied from one cell to another. For example, you can see first consider worksheet given alongside find the sum of mark sheet obtained in different subjects by a number of students. To calculate the total, type the formula is equal to B3 plus C3 plus D3 plus E3 in cell F3 plus press the enter key. The sum will be displayed in the cells. Now, absolute reference. What does it mean? Absolute reference is designated in a formula by the addition of a dollar sign before the column and row. Mixed reference. Mixed reference is a combination that refers to specific row and column. For example, A1 or S1. If you want to create a mixed reference, press the F4 key on the formula bar 2 or 3 times depending on whether you want to refer to row and column. Circular cell. What does it mean? Circular cells occurs when a formula directly or indirectly refers to its own cells. Viewing a formula, you click in a cell when you want to look up for the formula used in a cell, but when there is a need, look for the columns formulas of a range of cells. Follow the given steps. These are steps you can follow. String concatenation. What does it mean? In other words, concatenation in Excel is the process formula 2 or more for values together. This method is often used to combine a few pieces of text that resides in different cells. Technically, these are called text string or simply strings. Function is MS Excel. Function is a predefined formula that performs calculation using a specific value in a formula order. AutoSum. What does it mean? It means that when you click AutoSum, Excel automatically enter a formula to sum the numbers. You can see these are steps you can follow. Functions library worksheet. Functions are categories by the functionally. Excel has a lot of built-in functions that you can access from the formulas. These are steps you can use with the help of if, LCM, DCM, GDC, GCD. So, I hope you all got my point. I am going to wind up my point. Thank you so much.